guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Susan Sixon, a high school mathematics teacher from Maryland. Today I will show you how to create engaging and interactive Google Slides using Nearpod and Pear Deck. So Nearpod and Pear Decks are both Google Slides add-ons and you can access them for free. Guys, these apps are free. Some school districts like mine have Nearpod Gold and school editions that offer many features for teachers. So let me show you how to make Nearpod presentation. First, you open a new presentation. So I opened one already. Then look for add-ons. So here we click add-ons, get add-ons, and then look for Pear Deck and Nearpod. So here I click Nearpod for Google Slides and then click install. Then continue and it will ask for an email address. So I'll just click this email address. And once you click it, it will ask you if you will allow to install. So I will allow Nearpod to install in my account, and then it's done. So you have already Nearpod that you can use in your presentation. So you click add-ons, you will see here Nearpod. Now let's get the Pear Deck. So go to add-ons again, get add-ons, and then install Pear Deck. So it takes a while. So click Pear Deck and then same process. You click install and then continue. It will look for email address again. So you click the email address and then again it will ask you if you will allow to install Pear Deck. So allow. And then you're done. Oops, it takes a while. Oh, I did not click allow. So allow and you're done. So that's how you install Pear Deck and Nearpod. Now you can use them in making your slide interactive. Now, let's say, guys, you're done creating your Google slide presentation and you just want to make it interactive. So we can insert now the add-ons. So first you look at the slide. So this one is just introducing the lesson. Second slide is only stating the objectives. So we don't need to make it interactive. In the third one, I ask students questions. I also ask them to draw figure 5. So I need to make this interactive. To do that, I can use the different features of Nearpod. I can add instructions using audio, make it collaborative using the collaborative board, draw it, field trip. So the most accurate feature for this is the draw it feature of Nearpod. So I will just convert this slide to draw it. So click draw it, and then it will create an interactive slide wherein the students can answer questions. So the first and third questions and create figure number 5. So this is how it looks like. So it's now the fourth slide of the Nearpod presentation. In slide number 5, I want my students to answer the question individually. So I will use the open-ended feature of Nearpod. First is copy the question. Click open-ended question and then paste the question. So paste the question and then click save. You can also add video, audio instruction if you want. During small group share out, you can use collaborate board. You can enter the topic, the description, and then the students will collaborate about the topic. The good thing here is they cannot post their answer without your approval. You can also insert assessment in your presentation. There is a quiz feature in Nearpod. So here, a quiz feature. And then you can use the memory test, the matching pairs, fill in the blanks. So those are the assessment features of Nearpod that you can insert in your presentation. Once you're done editing your Google Slide presentation, you can now save your presentation to your Nearpod account. So again, make sure before you do that, you have the Nearpod account. So go to save and go to Nearpod. So you'll see that it's saving your presentation to your Nearpod account. After saving it, you can launch it in two ways: live participation or student pay. So live participation, if you want to use it in your online teaching, so you will have the control to the device of your students. In student pays, you can use that if you will assign the work to the students and then they can do the work independently. Before you show it to your students, you can preview first the presentation. So here, let's look for the fourth slide. So the fourth slide is interactive. So you can see now the tools that the students can use in answering the question. So they can use the pen to draw the figure and then the T. So it means text wherein they can type their answer to numbers 1 and 3 questions. We also made slide number 5 interactive. So here we ask the students to respond to the question. They can put their answers in the box and then when they're done, they can submit their response and then the teacher can provide feedback or move to the next slide. So this is Nearpod. So aside from that, if you have an account, you can choose the topic in the library. So here you have the school library or the Nearpod library. So if you have Nearpod Gold and School Edition, you can access Nearpod Library, English Learners, Nearpod Learning Labs, and so on. So in Nearpod Library, you can access resources from English, math, science, social studies, and from all grade levels, kindergarten to high school. Now let's see the resources available for math, high school, and limit it to linear equation. And you will see here there's a lot of resources that you can use. And let's say I wanna use this linear equations and graphs. Okay, so it says that this activity is for 11th grade students and these are warm-up activities. So you can preview this if you want. Then if you like the content, you can add it to your library, then edit and adjust it to the needs of your students. Okay, guys, I hope you learn how to create interactive Google Slides using Nearpod. So now we will proceed to Pear Deck. I will show you how to create interactive slides using Pear Deck. Now let's use the same presentation and enhance it using Pear Deck. So same process, go to add-ons and then look for Pear Deck, open it so you can see the features that you can use. So here we have ABC. When you ask questions, the students can respond to the prompt in their devices. So there is also multiple choice. So you can ask multiple choice question and then the students can respond. You can also ask a true or false question. So there's one, two, three. When you ask a question, the response of the students will be in numbers. Then you can also attach a website, ask them to draw, and use drag and drop. So in this slide, I will ask them to draw. And here you see that it's now linked to the slides. So the students can draw their response. So that's stage 5. And then answer questions number 1 and 3. So slide number 4, we can ask the students again the question, and you can click the ABC text, and then students can answer it in sentence or phrase. So that's for ABC. So once you're done editing the slides, you can now present it to the students by clicking Start Lesson. And you can choose, it's either student paced activity or instructor paced activity. So let's say I'll pick instructor paced activity. Now I can ask my students to access the presentation by going to joinpd.com and give them this code. Or I can also put the link in my Google Classroom so that they can easily access the presentation. So that's how you make your slide interactive using Nearpod or Pear Deck. Guys, if you find this video informative and helpful, please share it with other teachers and hit the like button. You can also leave the comments down below on what tutorial videos you want me to create. I would appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.